All right, now that we got the GPS mounted up top, you'll have your wire secured to the trailer. The 7-pin connector, you're gonna just undo the front, pull out your 7-pin. The best way to run your wire is I would usually just, once you tack it, I would tie wrap it, and then you want to come up through the bottom. So once your wire's in here, you're ready to wire it up. Now when you pull this out, this top part is your power. So you will have 4 wires on your wire harness. You're going to disregard the green and the white. Your red is power, of course, and your black is negative. So this being your power, the best way to go would be the blue wire, where you'll see there's a fuse. If you put it in behind the fuse will also protect your Trakkit and your wire harness if there is some type of electrical issue. So you're just going to splice your red right into this blue wire. Now your ground on this plate, as you pull it out, is going to be your center. All your white wire is going to there. So basically any white wire going to the center of the 7-pin is where you're going to put your ground. Just splice it in there. Now I also would use heat shrink. It just helps protect it, even though this is pretty much water never does get in here. It's just an extra precaution. As far as you'll see this little purple, it's ideal if you can get it in the box, but if you can't, I would just heat shrink some more protection around it. Use some more heat shrink and get it nice and secure. And if you're going to do it that way, make sure you put your heat shrink sleeve on before you wire it in. Once everything's wired in, just put your 7-pin back, bolt it down. Now at this point, your GPS will read off the battery. But now when a tractor comes and plugs in, your GPS will be running off the tractor power.